So guys, it's the time to start the first app in Python. How we should create Python file and how we should run that. So let's go and start. As soon as you start VS Code, you will face this page, and we installed the Python extension in previous video. So let's go and start with our Python application. Here in the you should select a folder at first. You can go through this file and you can select folder here. I select this project, first Python app, and then open. As soon as you open that, you will see this page here or this section here. You can create new file. You can right click on this section, create new file, or create new folder, or you can use these two buttons. The first one is for create file and the second one is for create folder. Let's start with a simple file, and when I click on this, we can name our file. It depends on you and your project. I will name that, for example, first Python app dot py. What's that? What's the py? The first part of the name, it's something that you can choose, but after dots you should use .py for the Python files. And after you type the name and .py, you should press enter here. It will show up a file on the right side of the Visual Studio Code. You can start write anything that you want here. And let's start. Our first application is to print something simple. Print hello. Hello world. The first application that we want to run with Python. I wrote this line, and after that I will save that. Look at this circle here. As soon as I save that, it will be disappear. And after I make any change in that, you can see it again at the top here. And again, as soon as I save that, it will be disappear. The important thing here is, let's go and run this, and after that I will back to the point from here. How we can run this code that we wrote? We have two ways here. Let's go and let's start with the first one. We can simply go to this terminal and tap on new terminal. After that, here in the terminal you can write Python 3.8 or any Python that you are using, any version of the Python. I can also use, for example, Python 3.11. Just let's go with this Python 3.8, and after that I will write the name of the file that we have. First Python app.py, and as soon as I press enter here, you can see that it print hello world here for us. What is print? It will show up what we are writing in the here. It will show up as an output. So simply I run the first Python app with this code that I wrote in terminal. So let me make some changing. For example, add some hi at the end, and let me run it again. As you can see, the output is same as before. Why? The problem is that we didn't save the file. We didn't save our changes. As soon as I save that and run the application again, you can see that it's updated. Let's go back to previous. code. Another way that we can run our code, when we install Python extension, and we have that here, you can see a start button here, run Python file, and when you click on that, it will simply run the app for you, run the file for you. Can you see? As simple as possible, just with a click. So we wrote a simple line to print something for us as an output, and after that we try to run our Python application in two ways. One from terminal and another one from a simple button that we have here, and with tap on that it will be run and it will be show up the output for us.